Last video I talked about ping. I'm going to be talking about a subject somewhat related but something that covers a wider area. I'm going to talk about latency. Latency is the time between an input into a system and an output from the system. An input can be a press of a button, moving your mouse, or even touching your touchscreen. An output can be a sound or a change on the screen. For example, latency is the time between me pressing the right arrow and the changing of the slide on the screen. But doesn't electricity travel very fast? It does. Doesn't the Wi-Fi transmit information via radio waves which travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed possible? It does. If the information is transported so quickly, then what causes latency? It is caused by the time needed for your computer, laptop, mobile, router, network switch, or any other computing device to process the information that is received from the input devices like the keyboard and the mouse. That is why the slower the hardware is, the higher the latency, and thus the rougher the user experience. How is it measured? It is measured in milliseconds, denoted as ms, and the lower the latency, the better and smoother your computing experience. Where is it the most crucial? It is so when lives depend on latency being low, like in cars which have backward facing cameras rather than mirrors. High latency between the camera capturing an image and it being displayed on the screen of the car can lead to accidents and even the loss of life. It is also crucial in online gaming, where the latency caused by the network connections is the biggest contributor and has a special name, ping. If you haven't watched my video on ping, go check it out. The link is in the description. How do I decrease it? A way is to buy new hardware like a new computer, a router, or even a better network plan. The other things that can be done are as follows. Try to increase the number of wired connections via the Ethernet, as wireless connections need more processing to be done before the results can be output and thus have more latency than wired connections. Try to connect to servers that are closer to you, as even though signals travel very quickly over large distances, like a connection between opposite sides of the world, they can be a cause for latency. This can be very effective for online gaming. Lastly, there are ways to enable settings in your router or network switch by the way of which you can give a certain device a privileged position. The communications from and to this device will be processed first. This can be important if you are working from home and when your online call with the boss is more important than a YouTube video some other family member is watching. By enabling such settings, you can ensure that you will have low latency during your call at the cost of the YouTube video loading in after a couple more seconds. These settings can vary from router or network switch to other routers and other network switch depending on the brand. So I would suggest calling your ISP or reading through the manual of your router or network switch to do so yourself. For more videos about the internet, stay tuned. As promised, the video on packets is coming soon. I just need to cover a few more concepts before doing that. So subscribe down below, click the bell icon and set the setting to all notifications so as to never miss a video from Beginner Science. And please like, share and comment. Stay home and stay safe.